So my son called last night and asked me to bring him to his doctor's appointment. So he is getting all of his appointments out of the way before he starts college. And he needed to go to the eye doctor. So for one issue is my son has been having eye pressure behind his eyes since he was a little kid. I remember when I first brought him to get his eyes checked, had to be like pre-K or kindergarten, because he was complaining about his eyes, but it was because he has an astigmatism and I think he's nearsighted. But anyway, they found pressure behind his eyes, and all that time we couldn't figure out why, but it turns out it's hereditary from his dad's side of the family, and a lot of his uncles have pressure behind their eyes. So I just dropped him off to take care of that because they have to do some type of testing. And yes, I threw on the same shirt because I have to wash. I didn't get a chance to wash yet at the Airbnb we're currently at. And I was just rushing because the appointment was for 1 something. Me and Chastity got up about 11 something. It took us a while to get ready. We ran out the door for 12 something. So we just made it here a few minutes. I know damn well there ain't no spider. I think it's outside. Sorry, y'all. I had to check that the damn spider wasn't inside my car. Yeah, we doing that. And then I had a conversation with my son because I was trying to move, but where I'm moving to would have been far. He's going to school in Iowa. And I was considering moving west, but it's going to be like 20-something hours away from him. And he's like, why are you moving that far? And I told him, I said, if I move, it has to be a place where I can get insurance because I need to have surgery. I need to take care of my own health. I can't just linger in Texas and I'm not getting the benefits or the services I need, you know? So I told him I could even look in the area where he's going to school or state away or wherever, but I have to go somewhere. And then I'm biding my time because I feel like I'm spending all my money on these Airbnbs and I don't want to do that either. So it's just so much back and forth. So much back and forth currently. I wish this spider get off my damn window. It must have heard me. It started crawling. You need to get off of my car. Get your ass off of there. I wish I had somebody to smash it, but I'm not going out there. So yeah, I have some ripping and running to do. Then she had an appointment. My daughter had an online appointment with her psychiatrist because she does like her behavior medications and everything. So I'm running trying to get my son to drop him off, and then at the same time they're calling, trying to do her video appointment. I had to tell her I had to call her back because I was driving. But yeah, time is winding down, and I just want to find somewhere stable for us to go for at least a year. You know? And if I want to go somewhere else from there, then I'll go. But what? Is she back here having a fit? Put your hair down. Why your hair sticking up all over your head? She back here having a fit because she done broke her arm, the arm off her Moana doll. I don't know how the hell she did that. She been having that doll for years. Her brother bought her that doll 1 year for Christmas. Now how the hell? Look at this. I mean, how do you even break that? That thing was like sealed in good. Look at this. There's no way for me to even pop it back on. Now she gonna be mad. I'm in the drive-thru trying to order our food. She's sitting there screaming and hollering at the top of her freaking lungs. Look at this. There's no way for me to put this thing back on. I don't know how much my son paid for it at that time, but I do know they still sell them at Target. Give me here. So I don't know. I don't even know what the hell she done to this dog. What is this? What is this on her hand? Like, this dog, gross. Girl, I don't know what this girl has done to her dog. Then I have to worry about my son's medical insurance because in Texas, I don't know, they didn't accept Medicaid, the full coverage or whatever. I forgot what you called it, but so he's 19 now, and Medicaid will no longer cover him, which is crazy because not even as a college student, he's going off to college. But he did say he received something in the mail, like another medical card or something. I'm going to see what that is. I'm going to have to call and try to deal with that. I don't know. Texas is supposed to be one of the worst states for health insurance, and it has the highest number of people without health insurance because their health insurance is extremely high, and even the people that are working can't afford the health insurance plan that the doctors give them. And a lot of time, even as a low-income person here, you still don't qualify for Medicaid. It's just crazy. Not even a working class, not even a working poor. So my question is, who's getting a Medicaid? If so many people is supposed to be on Medicaid and it's supposed to be fraudulent, if nobody that's working or people that's poor don't qualify for it, who's getting it? Now, he's been on it since he was a teenager, since he was a little kid when we got here. He was like in middle school. So now he just turned 19. So I want to see, they were saying something about Marketplace. I don't know how that goes, so I'm going to have to check out his mail. But yeah, it's just always something. I don't understand why the healthcare and insurance practices here are so bad. Like, do people not deserve insurance? Do the working class not deserve insurance? Like, damn. I don't know. So we're waiting for my son to come out of the eye doctor and eat at McDonald's. Yes, how may I help you? You're not drinking all this soda, Chastity. That's enough for now, because you have to go to the bathroom. Here, take a little bit. I have to bring you to the bathroom. So I'm going to bring her to the bathroom. I'll call y'all back. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.